Hey Aries, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of June. Definitely picking up on a past energy here for you guys. I feel like there's somebody here that wants to talk to you. Look at that. Here's your card at the bottom of the day. Aries. Maybe you're wanting to talk to someone or you're dealing with another Aries. But either which way, I feel like somebody needs to open up. Somebody wants to have this heart-to-heart conversation, but divine timing is at play right now. It could be a situation to where you might have children with this person. They could have messed up. Somebody messed up here and they're wanting to work things out. It could be a situation for some of you guys that this person has a child or children with someone else, and this is why Spirit is saying patience is needed. For others of you, if children may not be involved, I just got something else. Lord, it's too many of y'all. Okay, so look, if children, if they're not involved, it could just be that this person was being very immature and childish. What I picked up on a second ago, for some of you guys, your person could be having issues with their family. It's like they're the child where, they're involved, they're taking care of someone, and that could be why Spirit is saying patience is needed. It's a lot of y'all out there. Just bear with me. Let's just go ahead and dive in. Let's just see what happened. What's going on? Because Spirit will narrow it down for me. So let's just see. Alright, what's going on with my Aries, please? Alright, let's see. I noticed when I was shuffling, y'all card kept appearing at the bottom. See what I'm saying? It's like y'all are not moving. Okay? So, Aries, again, you're either dealing with another Aries. This could be you standing in your power, or this person that wants to work things out with you. They're coming in like an emperor. They want this, So, let's see. What's going on with my Aries? Alright, somebody could be dealing with a Gemini, but I'm feeling like this person knows that they cause an imbalance in the situation with you, because look at that. I'm telling you, they want to be with you. They want a family. It's like you both want the same thing, but there's somebody in the background waiting. Y'all been telling everybody this. My blinds are closed today, but it's like super bright outside, so, it'll calm down in a second. Just give me a second. But anyway, somebody's holding on to your person, and I'm telling you, your person wants to have a new beginning with you. So let's see. Tell me more, please. Look at this person definitely wants to move forward with you. They've been going through lessons, but they learned their lesson. They're coming. But I'm seeing that your person is still moving a little slow. There's a Magician. So I feel like this person, it's like they're trying to stay positive. They're trying to stay hopeful that they can win you back. There's Temperance. They want to balance things out with you. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius. This person, oh my gosh, it's like telling you somebody's standing in their power. This person is confident. Tell me more. Look at that. They're confident because they're coming back to give you an offer. For some of you, this person may be younger than you, but they're going to come back and give you an offer. But see, they're afraid that you're not going to take it. They're afraid that it's too late. Tell me more. But they're not going to give up. They're going to come back and turn things around. For some of you that your person could have been involved with someone else, I feel like they're saying they have to break up with this person or end some type of situation in order for them to come back and turn things around with you. Tell me more. Yep. They don't want to look back at what took place in the past anymore. Hold on. Let me see. Okay. Because I'm seeing that they choose you. They want to balance things out, but I'm saying that they have to walk away from a toxic situation that they put themselves in. Somebody could have been dealing with a Capricorn. This could have even been like codependent behaviors, but let's see. Clarify the Devil. Yeah, they're stuck. They're trying to make a decision. I'm more so picking up on fear looking at that. Yeah, see, they're having a hard time. Clarify the Hangman reverse, please. Because see, okay. This person wants to rush in and speak their truth, but they were being a player in the past, juggling, and that's the issue. And see, they know that they hurt you. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But they're coming out of being frustrated about the situation here. So they're feeling like they're not going to have a victory with you, even though I feel like they do want this new beginning. See, they're having a hard time. They're regretting everything that they did to you. See, they're feeling like they're not going to have a new beginning. You could be dealing with the Scorpio, but I am seeing that communication is coming in for you. But they're moving slow. They're dragging their feet. But they will make a decision. For some of them, they're trying to make a decision about the situation that they're trying to get out of, and this is why they're dragging their feet. Could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But see, this person, they're going to free themselves from a situation. This could even be them making some type of judgment call, whether it's like a contract or a legal situation. They're trying to wait, and that's what's taking them so long to get out of the situation, because they're trying to wait to hear back from, you know, the courts, if that is a part of their situation. But again, I'm seeing that your person will be single. They're getting out of it, whatever this is. So even though they made the decision to come towards you, right now they're not putting in the work. Could be dealing with a Taurus. Yeah, I'm telling y'all, there's something going on with your person and finances here. And I feel like if there is like a contract, a legal situation, or they're just trying to work something out with someone else, it could be that they're worried about their finances, and that is the issue. And so if they were like committed to helping someone, or they were in some type of commitment, I'm telling you, they're trying to get out of it. But they're afraid that because they didn't put in the work with you, they've kept you waiting, that you don't want to be with them either. You see what I'm saying? I have the Hierophant reversed with Justice. Somebody's getting out of a marriage or some type of long-term commitment. Somebody's getting out of it. Could be dealing with a Libra. Tell me more. Yep. There was some type of battle that was going on. That's why I told you guys it could have been like a court situation, contract, legal situation that your person was going through. And I feel like they're coming out of trying to fight for money, assets, you know, just anything. There was something that I feel like they were battling with this other individual. See? I feel like, yes, they were being sneaky with you, Aries, but this person that they're trying to get away from, I feel like they know that they're being sneaky towards them. See, with their money. This is why they're afraid, financially speaking, something may not improve. But with you, they're feeling like they really messed up with you. And it's because they're not opening up. They're not speaking their truth. This person does have a hard time talking to you. But they do want things to improve with you. Tell me more. See? They want a happy home with you. But some of them are stuck in a home situation. That's the codependent situation. Some type of family situation with your person. See, look at that. 6 of Pentacles, I told you. It's something regarding money here, because they're trying to work things out with you, or that's what they're wanting, but they're going to have to give to someone. They've been giving, but they are afraid that financially speaking is going to be an issue, see? I can't make this up. This person knows that they're going to have to give money to this other individual by getting out of some type of contract, or it's something here, because everybody's not married, everybody may not have a business, but it's something. Your person was helping or doing a lot, and now they've been arguing over money. So yes, you will get the offer that you deserve, but look at that. It's after, once they remove themselves from this third party situation. That's when it's going to happen. Look at that. There's the World. They do want a new opportunity with you. They're making plans, but they got to get out of this first. Tell me more. Okay, somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. But this person, they will, it's like, I'm telling you, they're focusing on their money right now. So yes, you will get the offer, but they got to take care of this family situation or someone from the past. Tell me more. Yep. They're coming out of worrying about it, whatever the situation is. But they're afraid that they're not going to have a new beginning with you, because, see, they're moving slow. See, they want to start over. They want to build something with you, Aries. Page of Wands try to come out reverse, which is letting me know that they feel like the seeds they planted with you, they're not going to grow. Aries, here you are. You could be dealing with another Aries, but I'm telling you, this person wants stability with you, and they're going to come to you to speak their truth. See, there's the Page of Wands, but it came out upright. So the seeds that they planted with you, they want them to grow, but they're feeling like you're not being positive about them. They don't know if you're going to take this offer, but it is a good offer that's coming in for you. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, but they're back and forth with the 8 of Swords. So it's letting me know, yes, they're frustrated because they're feeling stuck, you know, in a situation that they have to get out of, but this is also them not speaking up. because it came out, you know, kind of back and forth, this is letting me know that they are going to get out of it and they are going to come towards you to speak their truth. See? I told you. Look, I can't make this up. They're going to talk to you. That's my other communication card. They're coming. They're going to tell you that they want a new opportunity with you, but right now they just don't have the strength to say this. Could be dealing with a Leo. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius. But it's like they're trying to hold on to hope, but I'm going to be honest with you, they're not positive. They don't know if you're going to take them back, but this is a part of their lesson. Right now, they're just kind of replaying everything. Could be dealing with a Virgo. But I'm seeing here that, yeah, this person is frustrated because, yes, they had you waiting, but they are frustrated about their money. And see, they can't sleep right now. They're worried that you're going to cut them off for good. Somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra, but the way the Fool just came out, it's like 1 minute this person wants to take a leap to make things right, but the next minute, they're kind of just at a standstill. See what I'm saying? There's two women here. I can't make this up. There's two people. This is the problem. I honestly, Aries, your energy, I'm more so picking up your energy with the Queen of Pentacles. Whoever they're dealing with, they're the, ooh, why did I just say that? Y'all saw me pointing at the Queen of Swords and I said Queen of Pentacles. That was weird, but okay. Oh God. I have to say it because when I do stuff like that, it's for a reason. Basically, this could be, honestly, both queens could be representing both, you know, your energy for both of the women here. But I'm more so picking up you guys looking at the Queen of Swords. So I will say this. You guys, I feel like you're focusing on you, right? You're focusing on your money. You're focusing on healing. You're just trying to move forward. But this person knows that, and they know that you want to hear from them. They know that you want the truth, but the problem is they're afraid that you guys are going to go off on him. See what I'm saying? Okay, so it's a guy. Y'all, I'm just like, stuff is just slipping out of my mouth. I know what I want to say, but something else is just coming out. So I don't know who I'm talking to, who that's for, but it's for you, okay? So anyway, this person knows that, or they're feeling like you're going to go off on them, right? Because they've messed up time and time and time again. But the fact that I'm seeing two queens here, and like I said, it could be two kings, but the person that they're trying to get away from, that person is focused on money, and that's the problem. You know, that's why they're worried. See? They know you're not happy with them. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. Somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. But, you know, even just looking at this, I'm seeing a matching pair. And this person is in the way. That's why I told you when this first came out, I wasn't even looking over here at this. I was focusing on these two. And that's why I told you, Aries, your energy is with the Queen of Swords. But for some reason, Queen of Pentacles came out. So, whatever. Anyway, that person is standing in the way. They've been blocking. And I'm seeing that your person, it's like 1 minute they're listening to their intuition, the next minute they're not, because they're afraid that things may not improve with you. But they're worried about their money. I can't make this up. This is why this person was having a hard time walking away, because of the simple fact that they knew they were going to take a financial hit. I can't make this up. They're getting out of that energy. But see, there could have been some type of family situation going on. But this person definitely wants to have a family with you. See, they're going to come and give you an offer, Aries. You're going to get the offer from them. Tell me more. Yep. They made a decision. They're coming out of being frustrated. But see, they're back and forth because they left you out in the cold. You know, and it's like they want to be with you just as bad as you want to be with them. But they left you hanging because they were thinking about their finances, their stability, you know. They want to make things right. But see, I told you, they broke your heart. I feel like they want to fix your broken heart. But because of this third-party situation, they don't even know how exactly to go about doing this. And that's why Worth Waiting For came out. Somebody could be dealing with the Pisces. Somebody could be dealing with the Cancer. But I'm seeing that they're going to come and speak their truth to you because they do want to move forward. For some of them, they might have to physically move, you know, away from this person. But they know that they kept hurting you. They kept betraying your trust, and they want to fix that. They don't want to be in this energy, in this space with you anymore, Aries. All right, Aries, I love you all. I hope you guys have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye, guys.